How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add the marker in Mapbox. Now, it's going to take a bit of process, so just go ahead and follow along. First things first, basically, you want to follow this with the familiarity with the front-end development. We have the Mapbox account and a code editor. Basically, something like Visual Studio Code will work. From there, we have to initialize our map. So create a file name named index.html, and then we'll want to open it inside our code editor, which is once again going to be something like Visual Studio Code. Once pasted, you want to check the mapbox.access token, and then you can just follow along right here. Now we have to load the GeoJSON data. So in most cases, it's going to be right inside this page. We then have the ability to add default markers to the map by simply using this code right here into the script tag after the map is simply called. Of course, we can customize your style the way you want to, and from there, basically, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.